In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Gardena Micro-Drip System from start to finish. Perfect for keeping your garden watered automatically and efficiently. We would start by using a Gardena Garden Planner to map out our garden layout. Whilst it doesn't design a micro-drip system, it gives us a great starting point to understand the space we're working with. Here's how you can use the Garden Planner to sketch out your garden, then layer on your micro-drip system design manually from main pipes to drip heads and nozzles. We begin right here at the tap. This is the starting point of your Gardena Micro-Drip System. If you want to automate your watering, add a Gardena water timer. It attaches directly to the tap and runs your system on a schedule. Check out our other videos on the water computers to find the one that is right for you. Next, connect a short length of garden hose to the timer. The Gardena connection set includes the hose connector and water stop you'll need to go from the timer to the beginning of your micro-drip system. Now, install the master unit. This unit filters the water and reduces pressure to 1.4 bar, which is essential for a micro-drip system to work reliably. Use either the 1000 or 2000 model depending on how many litres per hour your system will use. Pause here to see the on-screen table detailing the water usage of each drip and spray nozzle. From the master unit, connect the 30mm connecting pipe. Push the pipe firmly up to the end of the connector indicated by the arrow shown, locking in place by twisting the outer part to secure. This serves as your main supply line. You can either insert your drip and spray nozzles directly into the pipe, or what we're doing for our first section of drip heads, branching off using the reducing T-joint, connecting 4.6mm pipe with an end-line drip head to target these smaller pots. Alternatively, for smaller setups, you can use the 4.6mm pipe on its own right from the start. To hold the pipe in place, we are using these pipe pegs available for the 13mm and the 4.6mm pipes. We are then measuring up the 4.6mm pipe to the roots in the pot and cutting the length we need. This smaller pipe easily pushes onto the connector with no need to lock in place. We are then attaching a peg to keep this in place and attaching the drip head. Drip heads are ideal for pots or deep-rooted plants like tomatoes or hedges. They deliver water directly to the roots and avoid wetting the leaves, which helps prevent disease and keeps watering efficient. We are selecting a drip head based on the needs of this pot. The endline drip heads fit straight into the end of the 4.6mm pipe. Using the peg, secure the drip head near the roots you need to be watered. If you need more watering for a particular pot or several roots you want targeted, you can use more drip heads. To use more than one drip head in a 4.6mm pipe, you can use an inline drip head. These have a connector at either side to continue on the pipe, allowing several drip heads within a single run. Position the drip heads where required and use the peg to ensure it stays exactly where you want them. Throughout the setup, you can use T connectors, L connectors, and straight connectors to shape the system to your garden layout. These connectors secure exactly like the master unit or reducing T-joint used earlier. We're using these connectors to reach over this fence, leading to a flower bed. For our flower bed, we are going to insert the drip heads directly into the 13mm pipe. To do this easily, Gardena have a special installation tool that punches the perfect size hole, allowing you to screw the endline drip head straight into the pipe. Again, secure the pipe into the soil near the roots to keep the drip head close to where you want to water. At the end of every 13mm or 4.6mm pipe run where you are not using a drip head, use an end plug to seal the line and keep water pressure balanced across the system. Finally, turn on the tap and check your system. Look for leaks and over or underwatered areas. Make small adjustments if needed. Make your best judgment on timing and watering requirements, irrigating a variety of plants. And that's your Gardena Micro-Drip System set up from start to finish. Starting at the tap and delivering precise watering throughout your garden, it's fully customisable, easy to expand and a real time saver. Ready to get started? Head over to worldofwatering.co.uk to build your perfect system today.